Namaskar friends, I Poonam Dogra welcome you all and hope you and your family are safe and doing very well. Now friends, we were going through battery technology, and when we hear about batteries, the first technology comes to our mind is electric vehicle. Electric vehicle because it's a future technology. Also, you have heard most of the countries are switching from their conventional vehicle to electric vehicle in order to decrease pollution and to control global warming. And also friends, this is one of the most top ranked question which I have faced, that which types of batteries are being used in electric vehicle. So friends, as you have already recognized this video is going to be very important, because most of the important technologies like electric vehicle and battery storage power stations are based on this type of lithium ion batteries. So today a very important and most successful type of lithium ion batteries. So friends, let's see. Now the most successful lithium ion battery type which we are talking about is lithium nickel manganese cobalt oxide. And when we talk about the composition of this battery, the positive electrode or cathode is a combination of nickel, manganese, cobalt. For the negative electrode, some silicon is added to graphite. Okay friends, now we will see this property table for NMC batteries. First property we will take is voltage. Voltage of these type of batteries is slightly lower, which is 3.6 volt to 3.7 volt. Although it is good, but slightly lower to some other types of lithium ion batteries. And when we talk about specific energy, it is very high, and the value is in between 150 to 220 watt hour per kg, which means energy in between the range of 150 to 220 watt hour can be stored in 1 kg of NMC batteries. And also these batteries have a longer lifespan, between 1000 to 2000 cycles. Cycles we mean a complete charging and discharging process. When we talk about safety, for NMC batteries, safety is moderate, not very risky, also not the safest one. It's moderate. Like at high charging or a temperature above 210 degrees Celsius, these batteries may get thermal runaway, and price for these batteries is high. We will have a quick summary of NMC batteries, about its pros and cons and applications. So the advantages which makes it most successful lithium ion batteries are higher energy density and high specific power, which means high energy can be stored in small amount of mass, as well as these batteries can deliver high current. And other advantages are these batteries have lowest self-heating rate. As already discussed, these batteries have longer lifespan than cobalt based batteries. And cons of these batteries is slightly lower voltage, which is also not very low. So the market share of these batteries is increasing, and these batteries have overall good performance. And very important, applications. Applications of these batteries are as discussed, like electric vehicles, industrial storage, medical devices, power tools, and energy storage power stations. As NMC batteries have major applications, so we will see these applications with examples. So friends, most of the car companies like Audi, BMW, Chevrolet, Hyundai, Jaguar, Nissan, Renault have their electric vehicle based on NMC batteries. Their cars model like Audi e-tron GE, BMW i3, Chevrolet Bolt, Hyundai Kona Electric, etc. are based on NMC batteries. And also home energy storage system of Tesla like Powerwall,
which is used to store solar energy and can give high power backup, is based on NMC batteries only. And NMC batteries are also used for battery storage power stations, which is a new technology in which batteries are used to store electrical energy in power stations and connected with grid, power backup, frequency regulation, and voltage synchronization, the connected electrical grid. So example of battery storage power station which use NMC batteries is the battery power stations in Korea, which uses NMC batteries for frequency regulation. There are two power stations with capacity of 16 megawatt with an energy storage system of 6 megawatt hour, and other one is of 24 megawatt with 9 megawatt hour energy storage system. So friends, I hope you learned something about NMC batteries and how you find this video. Please comment below. And finally, it's time to say bye bye. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.